Introducing the Yedi Tango Air Fryer and Pressure Cooker, because when it comes to the most delicious moments, it takes two to tango. With the Yedi Pressure Cooker, you can cook up your favorite meals in mere minutes and in less than half the time of traditional cooking methods. Then just pop on the Yedi Air Fryer lid and crisp up your crunchy cravings like French fries, fried chicken, and donuts, but with 85% less fat, because instead of deep frying, you're air frying. With your Yedi Tango Air Fryer and Pressure Cooker, you get the best of both worlds, with a space-saving design, convenient presets, manual controls, a dehydrator function, accessories, recipe books, and cheat sheets. Everything you need to pressure cook and air fry your way to the perfect every time. After all, it takes two to tango. The Yedi Tango Air Fryer and Pressure Cooker. Order yours today.